Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, we can try to connect Bing Webmaster to the WordPress. So this is my WordPress landing page and where we can connect Bing Webmaster. So this is a Bing Webmaster. So simply you can type this keyword on Google, Bing Webmaster. You can open the first website and you can click on the Google. You can select your Gmail account, click on continue, and you see there you can put your website URL. Click on add button and you can click on the HTML meta tag. You can copy this code, you can go to your website, then you can open your website dashboard, and you can navigate to the plugin section. There you can install a one plugin, header footer. Okay, you can click on add plugin first. There you can type header footer. You can install this plugin, header footer code manager. So it is installed, then you can click on activate. So this plugin is activated. Now you can, this is a plugin, you can click on this and then you can click on add a new snippet. There you can put your code. There you can type your snippet name. So we are installing a Bing Webmaster. Then this is HTML. This code is run for the site wide. And what is the location? So add meta tag into your site home page in the head section. So this is for the header section, site wide, HTML, all looks good. Then after you can click on the save button. So this code is installed on your website head section. Now you can go back to the your Bing Webmaster, then you can click on the verify button. So you can see site adding successfully. So Bing is connected to our website. Then after you can click on the done button, click on next, try Copilot. Okay. So this is your Bing dashboard and you can see all the things. So successfully we activated and we connected a Bing Webmaster to our website. So overall, this is the process to how you can connect a directly Bing Webmaster to your website. So overall, this is the process. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching. And if you guys are having anything concern or doubt, so you can share your thought in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there, you guys can easily connect with me. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, and if you found this video something informative or helpful for you, so you can hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly and a consistent video for you.